Welcome to this meditation on cultivating courage. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Let go of any distractions and let your mind and body relax. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, release any tension or fear. Inhale courage, and exhale doubt. Continue to breathe deeply, allowing each breath to calm and center you. As you sit in stillness, visualize a warm, radiant light surrounding you. This light represents courage. See it gently expanding, wrapping around you like a protective shield. As this light grows, feel it infusing you with strength and determination. Now, let's explore the concept of courage. What does courage mean to you? Reflect on moments in your life where you have been brave, even in small ways. Remember the times you faced your fears and emerged stronger. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the ability to move forward despite it. Imagine a time when you felt courageous. What did it feel like in your body? How did it affect your thoughts and emotions? Notice the sensations associated with courage, and let those feelings envelop you now. Courage is like a muscle that you can strengthen over time. It's built by facing your fears and stepping out of your comfort zone. Take a moment to set an intention for this meditation. What aspect of courage would you like to cultivate today? It could be the courage to take risks, to speak your truth, or to face a specific challenge. Choose one and hold it in your mind. As you hold this intention, imagine yourself taking a small step towards it. Picture the path before you, and with each step, you are building your courage. Visualize yourself growing stronger and more confident with each stride. Now, bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. As you breathe out, release any doubts or hesitations. Inhale courage and exhale fear. Now, repeat this affirmation silently or aloud. I am courageous. I have the strength to face my fears and challenges. I am capable of taking action even when it's difficult. My courage grows with every step I take. Continue to repeat this affirmation, allowing the words to resonate deeply within you. Feel the courage within you building, like a fire burning brightly. You have the power to overcome anything that stands in your way. Trust in your inner strength and resilience. As we near the end of this meditation, remember that courage is an ongoing journey. Each day, take small steps to cultivate and nurture it within yourself. Believe in your ability to face challenges and grow stronger with each experience. When you are ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and gently open your eyes. Thank you for taking this time to cultivate courage within yourself. Carry this strength with you throughout your day, and may it empower you to face whatever challenges come your way. My name is Francis. Namaste. If you enjoyed this meditation with me, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.